Hello everyone. In this video, we will study about the velocity relationship in orthogonal cutting. So when the tool comes in contact with the workpiece, the material will be removed in the form of chip from the shear plane. So this is the shear plane. In an orthogonal cutting process, three velocities come into existence when the tool cut the metal. So this is VC, that is the velocity of tool relative to work or the cutting velocity. So first one is VC, then second one is VF, that is the velocity of chip flow relative to tool, and the third one is VS. VS is the velocity of shear or velocity of displacement of the chip along the shear plane relative to work. So these are the three velocities. Now this is the shear angle phi, and this will be alpha. This angle will be alpha, that is the right angle. So these are the three velocities: VC, VS and VF. Now drawing the three velocities. So first is VC, then second one VS, and the third one VF. So this will be VC, this one will be VS, and this will be VF, and this angle will be the shear angle phi. Now, so this alpha, so this will be the tool, and this angle will be alpha. So this is the tool. So similarly, this angle will be alpha. Now draw a perpendicular to VC. So this is 90. So since this is alpha, this angle will be 90 minus alpha. Then this angle will be, this is 90, this is 90 minus alpha, this angle will be alpha. Then this angle is the shear angle phi. So this angle will be, this is phi, this is 90. So this angle will be 90 minus phi. Now applying sine rule, we will get VC by sine 90 minus phi plus alpha is equal to VF by sine phi is equal to VS by sine 90 minus alpha. Therefore VC by sine 90 minus phi minus alpha is equal to VF by sine phi is equal to VS by sine 90 minus alpha. So this can be written as VC by cos phi minus alpha is equal to VF by sin phi is equal to Vs by cos alpha. So of these three velocities Vc, Vf and Vs, the value of Vc, that is the cutting velocity, is always known. So the other two velocities can be found out using the relationship. Therefore Vf is equal to Vc sin phi divided by cos phi minus alpha, which implies Vf is equal to Vc into R. This Vf is equal to Vc into R, because we have already studied R, the chip thickness ratio, is equal to sin phi by cos phi minus alpha. So Vf is equal to Vc into R. Similarly, Vs is equal to Vs is equal to Vc cos alpha divided by cos phi minus alpha. So from this relationship we can find the value of Vf and Vs. Thank you.